It's very interesting to read how Arjun switches from one job to another, and parallelly he is also planning to start his own business.
It is really fast paced, which makes sense because, as I told you, this story is taking place over a period of 10 years. So, if it isn't fast paced, it is bound to get boring, which doesn't happen in this book because things take place very quickly, months and years pass very quickly.
Instead, this is a book which is meant mostly for college students or people who are having troubles with finding employment, with their poor academics or their first loves or dating life and things like that. So this is a book which is meant for those readers who are looking for a ray of hope in their day-to-day struggles about these things.
First of all, I was so fascinated by the cover of this book. It comes in some kind of matte finishing.
I started reading The Ineligible Millionaire. I got into the flow of the story almost immediately because the story opened on a very relatable note.
He's such an honest and chivalrous guy. He's really innocent, he's a passionate lover, and he's a trustworthy and dependable son.
He gets cheated very many times by different people. He emerges from that. He still applies to different jobs. But he soon realizes that he needs to get ahead in his life. His low paying job isn't enough to repay all the debts and to buy a house, which is his dream. And from that point on, this book actually becomes very interesting.
This book still holds a big secret that I won't be spoiling.
There is also the question of this beautiful young woman called Shreya, whom Arjun is in love with. Shreya, who's really pretty, who's the university topper, who already has a number of offers, job offers from different companies. Arjun is no match for her, but nevertheless, he has already given his heart to her.
The entire feel and the vibe of this book is very Indian, which you realize when you read this book time and again. There are things that you can relate to only if you come from an Indian middle class family.
This is a decade-long story, you can say a rags to riches kind of a story of Arjun, which starts from Feb 2006 and ends at June 2016. Now, why did he choose to come back to India? I already told you that he resigns from his job. But by the title of this book, we know that he is going to be a millionaire. So how is it gonna happen?
There are a lot of characters in this book, but if there's only one character who speaks to you the most, it is definitely Arjun.
Now on the main cover of this book, you will find a big round dot where it's written 13,000 feet jump, 2 countries and 1 promise. Now, the first thing that really struck my head was the title of this book, that how Arjun became the ineligible millionaire. And then what's with the 13,000 feet of jump? What's the matter with the 2 countries? And what was that 1 promise? So basically this thing kept me engaged with the book.
He's getting hit by them, but he doesn't stop, and that makes his character extremely inspiring.
The good thing about the writing style is that there are a lot of things which you can relate to from your own college life or from your own struggles, financial struggles, job related struggles, love life related struggles.
The part is the story was not disappointing. I really loved the ending. It was a bit cinematic but still appreciable.
Arjun's character is somebody that you grow fond of as a reader because Arjun is literally the most harmless guy in the world, somebody who works really hard, somebody who's trying his best to deal with all the distress in his life, but still life keeps throwing curveballs at him.
This book started off as a fictional story for me, but slowly and gradually it became a motivational book for me. Learning about a boy who was so underconfident, who didn't know how to speak in English properly, but how he honed his skills and he became a millionaire is surely an inspirational read.
And I feel it's very interesting, and that is the love story of Arjun and Shreya.
In fact, he's actually the bechara of the story who decided to turn his weaknesses into his strengths and his threats into his opportunities.
And because of this whole time span of 10 years, I think a large part of audience would be able to relate with it. Be it students, be it young professionals, or be it mid-senior level of professionals. There's a bit for everyone.
The story didn't go off track. It remained connected to the title of the book.
Kind of book that gives out the message that good things are just around the corner. You just have to keep going.
The author Tarun Varshney, I would say, even though he's not from the literature background, but still he managed to write his first novel of his life. That for me, I would say, like, it's a very inspiring thing.
And what I really loved about this book is that it doesn't preach you anything as such in the direct narrative. Instead, there are so many underlying messages which are enough to pump you and motivate you.